me see your hands, bro.
I got one right here in my hand. Get back.
Get back, bro. Let me see your hands. Dude, bro.
54-year-old alleged kidnapper, Daniel Phillips.
Stop your plate.
This dude, I already got it.
What?
Disregard.
What? Dude, what's going on, man? Let me see your hands, bro.
I got one right here in my hand. Get back.
Get back, bro. Let me see your hands. Dude, bro. Want a gun for you? Stop, bro. Stop. Put your fucking gun down, man. Put the gun down, bro. Put the gun down, man. Put the gun down! Put it down now! Stop. Dude, what's your name, bro? Talk to me. What's your name? Talk to me, bro. What's your name? What's your name? Put it down now! Just talk to me, man. Just talk to me, okay? Shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired, 17, 28 hours.
Show me your hands now! Guns down, guns down. Get him out, get him out. Get on the ground, bro.
That's clear.
I'm bleeding bad. I'm bleeding bad.
Okay. Car's clear, car's clear, car's clear.
I'm bleeding bad.
That's clear injuries.
I'm bleeding bad.
You haven't already, shots fired. Go to get EMS en route. I need supervisors.
Oh, I'm dying, man.
Okay, go get your trauma bag.
Now.
Hey! Early car. What's early car? Was.
He shot.
He's got at least one to his arm.
In the artery.
And that's the only one that we see.
We just have one patient.
That's as of right now, yes.
Okay. Did somebody else shoot him, or did you guys shoot him?
We shot him.
Okay. Just making sure. There's no.
He's got one to his arm and wrist. We cut his pants off. We cut his back. We didn't see anything anywhere else.
He's got to be under.
Daniel Phillips, in the wake of this incident, faces multiple charges across jurisdictions related to the kidnapping and the subsequent shooting. In this incident, Reagan Beresford, a creepy 52-year-old man, finds himself in trouble.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Put your hands behind you. Get out of the car. Put your sunglasses down. Put your hands behind you. Is there anything on you gonna cut me, stick me, or poke me? Go with him. He's in custody.
You want us to stay on the house?
Just pat him down right now. Just pat him down. Keep him out for a second.
I'll be 51 in 5 minutes.
Copy.
Good job.
Double lock it? I did. Alright, go ahead. Sit inside. Trish, she's coming here, right? She's coming here, right?
No idea. 5 minutes she'll be here.
Do you want me to take this phone out of the car? Just leave it now until she gets here.
Leave it there, make sure.
Yeah, I'm not staying with the car. He just got his.
You're gonna have to tell
wallet.
her to get a search warrant for it. Yeah, that's fine.
He had it in his hand when I walked up on him.
Where is it now? How did he get back in the car?
I just told him to set it down so I can take him out and put him in handcuffs.
We're towing the car.
Why is he? Where's he going? Trish is coming here.
call for you. West side of the Eagle Pulse.
I'll stay here with the car.
Copy. Eagle will shoot the car.
We're gonna tell it, so if you do, just chain of custody, just stay here and keep rising up.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here until
Alright.
everything is done.
Let Trish know. Yeah, Trish will have to call.
Yep, no worries. I'll stay with it.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
Yeah, I tried to wave at you.
They took him right over here. When I took him out of the car, he had his phone in his hand. It's still open right now on the driver's seat with the map open. You want me to? He had it in his hand. Do you want me to take it out, or do you want it, or?
I need it to not.
There's a bag on the passenger seat too, like something that he went and bought, and then there's a book bag behind the driver's seat.
I want to make sure it doesn't lock.
Yep, no, I got you. It's sitting right there.
Will it stay open on map like that?
It has since he had it in his hand, because I told him to put it down when I put him in handcuffs. He had his text part open when I walked up on him.
I'm afraid because to take off to keep it awake, I have to have a passcode.
Yeah, I don't know how the iPhones work. I don't have one.
All right.
But Tim and them said to just leave it in there for you to tow it.
Please step out of my vehicle. Alright. I'm gonna search you again, okay? Inside there, except I'm gonna take more time, empty out your pockets and everything, okay? If I do find something in your person that you're not telling him about, it's another charge on you, okay? So you might as well be up front and tell me right now if you have anything on you. You don't have anything on you? Okay. Go ahead and move to your left. You're good. Walk this way for me.
Face the car for me. Do you have anything on you? What's your name?
Regan.
Okay, scoot over so I can put the seatbelt on. You good? Take us up to the left so I can open the door for you. All right, have a seat. What's your name?
Regan.
Scoot over so I can put the seatbelt on. You good?
The unfolding events culminate in Regan Beresford facing charges related to online child exploitation.